Hello guys, look at this. If you ignore to clean your dryer vent, this is what's gonna happen. Very sticky and wet dryer lint, rusted metal, and damaged walls all over the place. This is what you're gonna see after you neglect the cleaning of your dryer vent. This is hard fix if you wanna replace your metal inside the